Hi guys, today I would like to show you how you can use API View, how you can register on cloud, and how you can use its studio module. Let's see. First, let's get started. Let us register. It is a dummy email. So now the registration is completing. It will take around 1 minute to complete the registration and instance creation process. Your account is ready. Now API View Studio is creating new instance for you. It is deploying new instance for you, so that's why it's taking some time. So the system is ready. You have brand new instance. Let's see what we can do here. I will go to resources page. I will create new book resource. Let's say you want to create new API for creating, updating, deleting books. Let's create it. Now let's add some columns or some properties. Let's say name will be unique. Yeah. Let's say we have title, we have description. Yeah. Now let's see what we can do here, what API View created for us. If I press API dock button, this page will be a little bit slow first time, so you need to wait about 30 seconds. As you see, I created new book resource and I have book API. I can also open Swagger in separate page, so I will do like that. It is our API documentation and I have book API here. So let's also authenticate. I copied the token and now let's call get API. So it will return empty result as we don't have anything. But I can add books either from here or from here. Let's add some data. So book is created. Now you can see that you have new book. You can also create, update, delete, do whatever you want with these APIs. You can integrate these APIs to your front end, to your back end, to any place. The main idea in API View is to create resources and to have APIs from these resources. And of course, these resources is limited. You can only do crude applications with just creating resources. But we have new revolutionary idea. With help of nano code, you can update, you can customize your API. Let's imagine we want to add some extra logic to validate your properties. Let's see in book, in name property, uh, name property. Let's say when name property is tale, we want to show some error. I am pressing apply template button and it's creating JavaScript code for me. Let's try. If I try to add tale, if I press save, I will get an error. So by this nano code, I can customize, I can do a lot of customizations. I can customize the logic of my API. I can go here, I can even do more complicated customizations. For example, let's say if if book name length is less than 5, let's say book name must have more characters than 5. So tarih is allowed. Yeah. Now let's put some small name. Let's try to save. We see that it gives an error. We can also try it from here. If I try to create a book with smaller name, let's just put the name, the other are not important. I will get an error. It means that with help of nanocode, I can update I can customize my API very easily and effortlessly. Let's see what else we can do. I will give some brief information here. I will not deep dive for each section. Just I will give some brief information to you. Here we see nanocodes. You can create, update, delete. You can do whatever with nanocodes. And with nanocodes, you have capability of infinity customization. You can create resources, create records, delete records. It is like JavaScript. It is just JavaScript, and you can do whatever you want. We also have resources and users. You can create users and you can create roles. Here, with permissions, you have ability to give to change permissions for each resource. For example, you can say that this particular user can only update books, can only delete book or something else. Now let's go to monitoring. We have audit logs. In here you can see the audit. When some operation is done, you can see the operations in audit log. We also have application logs, but application logs is only working in online mode. It means that when you open this page, you will start to receive application logs. Let's see. I will press this button. It's taking some time. It is kind of loading. Yeah, you see that the whole application logs is here. You can also see the error which was coming from nanocode. You can even add your own logs in nanocode, and you can see the logs in logs page. Yeah, there are some syntax error. Yeah. Okay. Now let's try to create a book. And let's see. Yeah. As you see, our log is here. You can also filter the logs for specific nanocode. Now I will only see the logs which is related to this nanocode. You can search them by tag ID, by user who is actually doing things, etc. Yeah, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching.